morning. So it's been 2 days since the traditional wedding, and after the wedding traditionally you go to your new family's place, so that's where I've been at, and I got back last night, so it's next morning. So I'm like looking at the aftermath of everything like that. I just had breakfast, so let's go look at show you my cake. This is what's left of it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
That's their pink. The pink, I think is more beautiful than the blue. Yes.
People, and then this is the decorations on there. That's probably
I saw pink. The pink is fantastic.
These were the beads. And the cake was a marble cake.
Yeah, this is my designer from
marble cake, 2 layers, and we're devouring it now. Last night was the first night that we cut it. Yeah, so I've been posting pictures and stuff, and everyone's been asking me, oh, where's Inky? Inky couldn't come. Is anybody out here? Oh, it's a beautiful morning. It's kind of loud out here. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my video. But yeah, but Inky couldn't come because she had to cover, her section of the pediatric unit at the hospital. So the last minute she couldn't come. So I was sad, but it's gonna be okay. We're good. We had fun. We sent her pictures and stuff, so it was good. Now everything is like died down and stuff, and less rowdy, which is good. So yeah, so this is just the outside compounds. Just a normal, today's Friday, it's a normal day. Yeah, that's about it. But I had fun. It was like a blur. It was just like Inky's, like the way it was is that, if you're the shabby girls and the bride and stuff, like you're mostly inside getting ready, so you don't really look or watch or see how the event is going because you're always inside changing for the next outfit. So I'll look through the vlog footage to see how, like when I'm editing the video, I'll see everything that happened, and the videographer they'll get the video together and send it to us, so I'll get to see my event then. But everyone said it was nice. There was so many people here. Like this whole compound was filled up, all here, inside, and then upstairs in the balcony, and then even like outside of our gate, like on the street, there's people filled up there. So it was ridiculous, and there was so much food, so much entertainment, DJ, bands. It was so good. So I'm happy that it went well. There's so many grasshoppers here, it's ridiculous. I don't even know if those are grasshoppers, but there's one right there, and there's one right there. And there's one, where's the other one I saw? Oh, up there. Oh, actually, no, it's a praying mantis. That one's a praying mantis. But yeah, but it was good. It was a great event. It was great. So yeah, I don't even know what I talked about on my journey here before I got to Nigeria. I don't even remember. It's been so chaotic every single day. Now it's like chill, so I can regroup, but I don't even remember all the things that I want to talk about and stuff, but maybe I can sit down and do that tomorrow or something. So yeah, and then my dad went back to the US today, so everything's dying down. So yeah, so just my auntie and Cordelia, my cousin, she's here. I think that's all that's left, and my Uncle Patrick's here. So yeah, village life. Yeah, so I went to Chris's village in Imo State, so now I'm in Imo State wife. Crossed over. So it was so fun. So after the event, we went to Chris's place, and I stayed there for 2 days, and it was fun. It was peaceful. It was like village life, like chill. Like we were just walking around from like one uncle's house to the other, showing me around. There was like a local soccer match there and stuff, so it was peaceful. And then my family and my village came to his place to like see how like my new home is and stuff, and then do blessings, do ceremony stuff, and then I came back home. And then it's the next morning, so yep, so we'll be here for another week, and then then Chris will be here for a little bit longer than me, so which is good. So yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's lounge all day. Find a good book. Maybe I'll download a book and just read it, because I think I locked myself out. I have to go around the back. Keep forgetting that. Our front door doesn't have our front door, you can only open it from the inside for security. So I have to go through the back to open the door. I never go around this side of the house. Lock myself out. Good. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I locked myself out. Yeah, and then I locked myself out.
Wake up every day for the paper. Say money off is spray when we there, yeah. Lil King to get to today. Let's see us in the club, I to get to today. And I'm drinking and I'm getting this paper. Yo, I'm spending all up.
Are these red bottoms? What are these?
I think they're supposed to be.
Oh look. Let me see how much this one is. 40,000.
How many dollars?
250. 40,250.
It's like $100.
It is?
It's like 90, 80 or 90.
What design is this? Diva D, London.
That is expensive.
Yeah, those are expensive.
What? They must not heard of Charlotte Russe.
Oh yeah. So this is like a mix between Walmart and Big Lots, this store, which is cool. And then their bakery, and everyone is in line for fresh bread over there. So we were looking at all these shower gels, and they're all lightening shower gels to lighten skin. It has like it has a lot natural stuff, but a lot of acid stuff in it too. That's what they like here, and that's what they have on this side too. All these like 7 days, get it lighter, fade creams, all these. Where are you going? Good morning. Today is New Year's Eve, and today we're gonna go to my grandma's and spend the day with her because we haven't, because it's been so busy. But now it's after the wedding, things are chilled, so we're gonna go spend the day with her. And she's at my Uncle Patrick's house. We're about to have some breakfast. Junior, what you doing over there? I've been vlogging with this camera and it's been pretty good. It has good quality.
That's my sweet.
Hey. So we're about to get breakfast. We're just waiting for breakfast. What are you looking at?
The camera.
Can you see me?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Look, you were vlogging with it. You see how it looks like good, like cinematic?
Yeah.
You're running away.
Isn't it good?
Yeah.
Mommy, what's for breakfast?
What's for breakfast? I have to ask you guys. Can't you guys cook breakfast for once?
But I'm on.
Oh.
Mommy, but I'm on vacation.
What am I on? You don't know?
You're my wedding planner.
Yeah, but wedding planning is not every day. I just finished one. Why can't I have a vacation before I start another one? So what do you guys want?
Eggs, pancake, bacon, turkey bacon,
We are out of
spinach.
We are out of pancake. Where is my vegetables?
But we went to we went to Mommy, we went to this grocery store yesterday. Mommy, we went to this grocery store yesterday. They had the Hungry Jack pancake mix.
Really?
Yeah.
And I couldn't find it from what is it called? ShopRite.
Yeah, they had it there.
Let's see, okay, maybe go Munka. Vegetables look forward.
So we're on our way to Grandma's house today. Leaving later than we thought we were. We're waiting for Mommy to come. Happy New Year! I almost forgot my vlog camera because we were celebrating. Happy New Year! Happy New Year to everybody! Chris is on FaceTime with Mommy.
Your voice is cutting.
And it's so rowdy outside.
You killed the cow.
You can hear music,
Oh, okay.
fireworks,
I'm glad
people
you
yelling in
killed
the
the cow
streets.
for her.
The security is
Okay.
out, like right in front of the
Security
gate.
is out.
Yeah, security just is standing right there.
Standing right there.
Yeah.
Why is it happening on?
I mean, just in case anything happens, because
Okay.
you know that street is so rowdy.
Your poor Pepe.
I don't know if you guys can
Junior is
see.
17.
Zoom in.
Sound like 16, though.
Junior is 17. Junior, it's your birthday, 17. Junior, sing the 17 song. 17
He's 17
again.
He's 17 taking anybody anywhere.
I don't think so. 17 again. Now you can watch that movie with Zac Efron, Junior.
At 17?
You see the fireworks a little bit?
No, he's not allowed to buy cigarettes.
The security guy stood up just in case. Now they're all coming out. Mommy, they're all coming out because they
From
know
where?
it's rowdy. Out of that house thing.
Oh. The leader.
You can hear everything.
The one that is the leader.
Lockout.
Is she there?
But you
Is
can't
she
really
there?
see anything because there's so many trees and it's
Is
so
she
dark.
there?
But you can see like the flashies.
Is she there?
Whoa. I bet it's. Let's go to this window because remember last year these people did it and you could
What
see
are
it.
you opening?
You wanna open this
Pig
door?
meal?
No.
That's what it's there for.
Oh,
What are you opening?
it's clear.
Ooh, it's clear.
What are you gonna drink?
Be careful.
We never go on this balcony. You ever
What are
realize
you
that?
drinking?
I know.
Go.
No, it's okay. Bugs are gonna come in. Lizards are gonna come in.
Who cares?
Oh,
Who
you're
cares? Who cares?
drinking
Who cares?
malt? Milo? You're making cocoa. In your room? You're gonna make it in your room? Look at that. Look at what he's doing.
Wow, Chris.
Wow, Chris. What concussion are you making?
This is going to be my first meal of 2017.
He's crazy.
My first meal of 2017.
What else is going in there?
Ew, what is that, malt?
Milk and malt, for real. That's what he's doing.
Wow.
Amstel malt.
Really though?
What would that come out to be?
Ew, that sounds nasty.
Irish cream, I think. Irish cream.
Irish cream.
What else are you gonna put in it?
Yes, Irish cream. 0% Irish cream. Oh.
What else are you going to put inside it?
Shake it. Shake it.
Okay. Wow. What else will go in?
Is that it?
And then you drink.
Oh my
Wow, that's nasty.
God. What concentrated things is he drinking?
This is just a snack. A very, very healthy snack.
Gosh.
Concentrated milk, though.
Ginny, would you drink that malted milk together? You sure don't want to drink a big boy? Oh, your hair is wet.
Right here.
Did you condition it?
That's 5 servings. 5 servings of the milk.
Really though? Really?
Yeah.
Did you really make malt and peak milk together and you're drinking it now?
Let me show you.
Okay.
Watch. See them? Watch outside.
Okay. Oh, I see the fireworks.
Can you see the fireworks?
Yeah, I can see it.
Happy New Year, Nancy. Village.
We're at New Year's Mass. Oh yeah.
Well, we have a cake before us, and it happens that today is somebody's birthday. So that person has to cut this cake.
Okay, it's me. We're not gonna say the person.
If you know it's your birthday,
Yeah. Oh, that's you.
Okay.
Hold on. Oh, are we gonna say old people are making.
actually we are cutting cake.
It's not your birthday.
You know what?
So why are you so happy?
Because it's Junior's birthday. That's why he's so happy.
Okay, we're gonna say happy birthday. We're gonna sing happy birthday. Please, if you don't know how to sing, don't say anything. For me, I can sing really good.
Yeah.
Okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You are how old? Yeah, you
Sing
old.
it. 17 years old now.
17 years old now.
17 years old now.
I'm 17 years old now. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Okay. In count, I'm going to count 3 to 0. When I say 0, that's when you count. When is when you count? Okay. 3, 0. 3, 2. No, you're not holding the knife, right? So hold it like you're an American. Okay. 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright. We are going to call this day.
Many more years to you.
Many more years to you, Junior. Many more years to you. May you get old and gray head. Don't mind me. I'm drinking too much alcohol.
Auntie, what kind of cake is it that you made?
Say what?
What kind of cake did you make?
It's king's cake.
King's cake?
Yes.
I don't know anything. I just was there.
Oh,
Yet when I bought cake,
your body was good. Yes, okay.
I said somebody didn't.
Birthday. I
didn't know what was going on.
feel something. You're a bad thing.
Surprise.
Hey guys, so I just woke up from a nap. I'm like sad. I'm sad because but Chris came today. Well, he came last night. And he was here like yesterday. And then he stayed today. And he just went back home. So I'm sad because we're leaving tomorrow and he'll be here for a couple more weeks. So I'm sad. He's gonna be here. I was like trying not to cry because I didn't want to cry, but I held on really tight. But just looking in the backyard. But yeah, I'm sad because I don't want to stay here. I don't want him to stay here, and I'm leaving because, like, you know, like, we're so far from each other. It's like we were just talking about this, how because we have this, because when we first started talking, we had this, like, you know, philosophy about, you know, life and relationships and stuff. And it's like when you're dating someone, talking, you know, all that stuff, you're at like one level. And then it's like when you're like engaged, it's a whole different level. When you're married, it's like Chris said, like 1,000 levels different than when you're like dating somebody. So we were just talking about how like we both feel different now. Like after the wedding, like we both feel different. And it's very true. Like it's like so different. My mind is, he said, the way he said it, he was like, I feel emotionally different, physically different, mentally different. And I was like, I feel the same way. So we feel so different, which is good because that's how it's supposed to be, you know. Different stages of life with like relationships is so different. You know, when you're dating someone or something like that, like you guys aren't married. Not even, you know, not married. So it's a different mindset, different mentality, different everything. So now that we're married, we feel different, which is good. So now that like we feel like this, it's like when we're leaving, it feels so, it's like harder. Cause it's like, that's my husband, and he's like, that's my wife. So yeah, I feel sad, but it's okay. I'll be okay. I'll just think about when I go back home, I'll be with Inky, because Inky's in the US all by herself all these weeks. She's been by herself. So I'd be like, I'll go back to Inky and we'll be okay. So that's what I keep thinking about. I get to see Inky. But now I gotta pack my stuff because we're leaving tomorrow early in the morning. So my stuff. Yep. So I gotta get my suitcase out. And I always said let me start packing before it gets dark. Because when it's dark, it's really dark. Like when it's dark outside, it gets really dark in our room. And it's hard to see. So I'm gonna start packing.
On my mind constantly, yeah. Without you, girl, I'm obsolete. No, I love you, girl, don't stop me. Yeah, girl, you know I love you, you want to start me, yeah. Cause it's you that I want, it's you that I want. Girl, don't doubt me, it's you that I need, oh. It's you that I need, oh. Girl, don't doubt me, oh my. Girl, don't doubt me, oh my. I'll be out for the dough, I'll be out for the paper, I'm out for the dough. So you gotta let me know, so you gotta let me know. I'm a LA, why take a phone on? Why take a phone on? I'm a LA, why take a Jonah?
I'm gonna go out and see, find some masquerades. Ready to go find some masquerades, baby Junior? Yep. It's our last day here. So masquerades usually come out the day after New Year's.
Mind constantly, yeah. Without you, girl, I'm obsolete. No, I love you, girl, don't stop me. Yeah, girl, you know I love you, you want to start me, yeah. Cause it's you that I want, it's you that I want. Girl, don't doubt me, it's you that I need, oh. It's you that I need, oh. Girl, don't doubt me, oh my. Girl, don't doubt me, oh my. I'll be out for the dough, I'll be out for the paper, I'm out for the dough. So you gotta let me know, so you gotta let me know. I'm a LA, why take a phone on? Why take a phone on? I'm a LA, why take a Jonah? Why take a Jonah? In the darkness, in the rain, in the moonlight, I will never let you go, no, no. Never ever let you go, never ever 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 let you go, no, no. Don't do it on the wall, do it on me. Broke your back, I'm bounce it gently. Make everything just work, one thing, bang, bang, bang. I'm on my mind constantly, yeah. Without you, girl, I'm obsolete. No, I love you, girl, don't stop me. Yeah. Girl, you know I love you, you want to start me, yeah. No, it's you that I want, it's you that I want. Girl, don't doubt me, it's you that I need, oh. It's you that I need, oh. Girl, don't doubt me, oh my. Girl, don't doubt me, oh my. Wine your waist, dance calypso. Move your body to this rhythm and visa. Wine your waist, dance calypso. Move your body to this rhythm and visa. Wine your waist, dance calypso. Move your body to this rhythm and visa. Wine your waist, dance calypso. Move your body to this rhythm and visa. Guys, yeah, you have guys. They be calling your line, and I have girls, and I have girls. They be calling my line. I know you wanna cut it 'cause it's winter time. I just want a girl I can make mine. You better tell them what the boy does. Better take time, better take time. I'm on my mind constantly, yeah. Without you, girl, I'm obsolete. No, I love you, girl, don't stop me. Yeah, girl, you know I love you, you want to start me, yeah. Cause it's you that I want, it's you that I want. Girl, don't doubt me, it's you that I need, oh. It's you that I need, oh. Girl, don't doubt me, oh my. Girl, you don't doubt me, oh my, no. Oh yeah.
Onye gbara Chineke dị nsọ, ihe dị nsọ ga na-eso ya. ọsọ na-eme ihe ọjọọ ikwute na Chineke bụ nsọ nsọ ga na-eso onye ndị mmụọ ozi na-eme anyị na isi ala ka ekwensu kpọọ isi ala ya ga gbụsịta n'aka na-arọfụ abalị anyị ebibiri na onye ọbụla gwakwa aka gị ọtọ na-emekwa ihe Chineke chọrọ onye ọbụla chọrọ gị Chineke ga-achụ ya n'aha onye si na ị ga-adị Chineke asị akwa mkpọrọzu were anasịrị obi mana ọ bụrụ na imekwa ezigbo ibe ka Chineke gozie anyị n'aha ebe ihe ọma si etu a na-abịarụkwa na-echeta ụmụnne ya ebe na-aga n'ugbu a ebe ọ na-echeta ụmụnne ya ihe ọma gara abịapụta gị ihe ọ bụla na-ego ajọ mmadụ agaghị ebute gị n'aha ọchụ ọ nọrọ n'iru nọrọ n'azụ nọrọ n'iru mmụọ nsọ nke Chineke chekwaba gị chekwaba nwaanyị anyị jikwa ka wee bịa chekwaba ezinụlọ aha Jizọs Kraịst bụ onye nwe
ị ga-etinye na ịchọ ibe itinye
otu otu
So, today, this evening, this evening, family members have helped us put this traditional wedding together. Some family members, because a lot of family members helped us, but unfortunately, all of them are not here in Nigeria. And some of them in Nigeria cannot make it this evening. So a few of us that gathered here this evening are the core people that helped us succeed in this Ify's traditional wedding. So we brought them together to share goodies from the in-laws, to share yam, rice, tomatoes, matches, soap, oil, name it. We have them all here. Rice. So they are not that much, but the point is that everybody will need to get some share of these goodies. And I thank everybody for coming today. It's usually a fun day. And first of all, we prayed and then we shared powder together. And now that we are sharing these gifts by ballot and by numbers.
Say she coming with her best friend. We blowing money in the West End. Like from the morning up blood, I'm yawning. Puff puff before the run car, they calling like King of Machiavelli, young king shit. We been up and ready, young G shit. Wake up every day for the paper. Say money off is spray when we there, yeah.